Try this recipe using just one chicken breast. Let's start our recipe by cutting one chicken breast into strips, then dice them. In a pan, gradually add butter. Then add the chicken and pan fry it until it turns golden. This is a very budget-friendly and delicious recipe. It is a perfect option for lunch. You're gonna love it. Now, in a bowl, add 4 eggs. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on following us. We'd love to know. To the eggs, add salt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, fine herbs to taste, and mix well until smooth. If you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us a lot. Now, pour the beaten eggs mixture on the fried chicken. Spread it with a fork. Slice 1 tomato, then put the slices on top. Add as well grated mozzarella cheese. Cover the pan with a lid and leave it to cook on minimum heat for 15 minutes. And our recipe is done. Look how delicious it is! I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!